Today we're going to talk some more about our feelings and using those in our writing. And I am going to continue writing my story called The Aquarium with Ben. And once again, I am going to reread what I wrote the day before. This is what I wrote the day before. Ben and I really enjoyed walking around looking at the creatures from the ocean. It made me very happy to see how much Ben liked the aquarium. We walked outside and we saw the stingray pool. Now, the part that shows some feelings is the part that says it made me very happy to see how much Ben liked the aquarium. Now, if I ignored that sentence and I didn't read it, and I just said, Ben and I really enjoyed walking around looking at the creatures from the ocean, and then I started right here. We walked outside and we saw the stingray pool. That just doesn't sound as good as when I add in the story, the sentence about how it made me feel. It made me feel happy to see how much my grandson liked the aquarium. It's kind of like if you get ice cream and ice cream's good, but if you get ice cream with chocolate sauce and sprinkles on top, that makes it even better. So adding in our feelings to our stories really pulls your reader in, and they really want to know more about the story. So I'm going to continue my story on the next page, and I'm going to continue, and you can see that I am now really focusing in on my slice of pie. So you can see I have Ben and myself, and here's the pool, the stingray pool, but you can see it's kind of a big picture. We came out of the doors, but here we're closer. The stingray pool got bigger. We're right by the stingray pool, and now you can't see the walls behind us. I'm focusing in on my story. I'm also going to focus in on some more feelings, because remember, the feelings are like the chocolate syrup and the sprinkles on top. So, we found out you could touch the stingrays. How exciting! I tried to get Ben to touch them. Now, remember, if you need Spaceman, use it. I'm going to talk about how he was scared to touch them. I could tell he was. Oh, was is that funny word. It sounds like a U, but it's really an A. Was. W-A-S. I could tell he was scared. S-k. Ooh, scared. S-C. We have that special sound. Scared. Scared. I could tell he was scared. So I'm saying a feeling. In fact, I even added it right here in a word bubble. But I'm making it so he's thinking it in his head, because he didn't tell me he was too scared. He just, in his head, I could tell that's what he was thinking. I could tell he was scared. Let's see. But I could also tell that he wanted to. So I could say he wanted to, but every time, E-R, another one of our special sounds. Every time, silent E, every time they swam, every time they swam by B-Y-I-N, fly. Every time they swam by, he pulled his arm out of the water. So I'm showing some more feelings here. I'm talking about that Ben was scared. And I could tell that he wanted to, but he would pull his arm out of the water every time. And you can see I also added a word bubble of me saying, just try. And you can tell this one I'm actually talking, but this one he's thinking it. Okay, so happy writing today, and I will see you tomorrow.